Looking for a housing project that you can make your own? This 4-bedroom, 2-bath home has a lot of potential. The home has a new HVAC system, some updated wiring and drywall work has been started. The kitchen has been opened up to the living room, inviting you in. The master bedroom is located on the main level with a private bath and potential for a large walk-in closet. The laundry has been opened up for space for another full bathroom. Bonus space, there's a semi-finished 925 square foot space with a lot of possibilities. This space is not currently heated but could have some duct work run and finished off, making this home 2,905 square feet. The home sits on a corner lot, 0.48 acres that's fenced. Enjoy sitting on the deck and watching the kids and pets play.